Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. Here you are looking with me on 2005 Toyota Sequoia, and let's go look in this video on the tire pressure warning system. This Sequoia, when it was new, was fully equipped with this tire pressure system, and what it means. It means that in all 5 rims or all 5 wheels there are special sensors which are monitoring the pressure, and when the pressure gets below set threshold, when it drops, it will lit the warning light in the instrument cluster. So we are looking on that instrument cluster. The warning light for this system will be located on the right low corner. Let me show you where. And when you put the ignition on, it should go on. And it was right there and went off. Let's go and see what will happen when I start up this truck. And if your tire pressures are correct, the light will not come on again, right? And only when one of the tires will go below that set threshold, in this case, that light will go on. If it stays on, that means that you have one or more tires low. If the light will keep flashing, that means there is a problem with the system. Now, if you find that light going on for you, this is what you can do to correct the condition. First, you need to use your tire pressure gauge and find out which one of the 5 wheels has a low pressure. When you find your tire which has low pressure, you need to add the air, right, to increase the pressure. What is the PSI? What is the pressure? Well, you find that information right here. For this 2005 Sequoia, it says 32 PSI. Some of you might be wondering why he said 5 tires, right? There are 4 tires on this car. And I said 5 because this Sequoia has a full-size spare, and also this spare, which is located down here, has that tire pressure sensor, and that communicates with the computer. So not only the 4 tires and rims which you see are measuring the air pressure, it's also the 5th one. That creates sometimes confusion or problem for the owners who don't understand how that system works. They will put all 4 pressures correctly and they still have that light staying on, and they are wondering why is it staying on. It's because they forgot about the spare tire. The pressure went slowly, right, over the time, low until it hit the threshold. The light was illuminated, and they are forgetting to check that 5th tire. And if this tire pressure system works correctly, when you have all 5 tires at correct pressure, you start up the vehicle, within 2 or 3 minutes, the light, that yellow light, should go automatically off. But I know what's happening right now. Some of you are immediately asking, well, hey, what is that button? What is underneath the dashboard? And what is people are talking about is tire pressure warning system reset switch. Let me show you where is it located in this case. So once again, I'm entering to show you the location, and it's right here. Now that switch is for initialization of that entire system. And I will read you what Toyota says when you will be using this button. After replacing or rotating tires or wheels, after replacing an air pressure sensor. How that process is done, I will show you in detail and explain the whole procedure in different video. I thank you for watching today this video, and make sure you are subscribed because I have a lot of Toyota tech coming your way soon. See you later, my friend.